Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys Wi-Fi setting in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you unpair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone guys. You want to unpair guys your Wi-Fi, so guys you can unpair it. And guys now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to unpair it guys. So guys you can see guys your settings, phone setting guys, click on Wi-Fi setting, and guys you can see guys we have paired already this Wi-Fi Mukesh 5G, and guys we want to unpair. So guys tap here the right side, and guys you can see guys these settings. So as you can see, remove this network to unpair. Yes, we want to remove it. So guys this Wi-Fi will unpair to your phone, then guys you cannot use it. If you want to use, so guys you will have to pair again guys, you will have to enter again password, then guys you can pair your Wi-Fi network, and guys you can use. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friend.